Hey everyone, so I've got a 99 GMC Savana van. It's 1 ton. Got that annoying GMC buzz when you put the key in. Oh yeah, lovely. So, trying to get rid of the chimer. So I found out, where it is. It's not under the dash, like a lot of people say. It's not down there. It's up here, under the steering wheel. So you got to pull off your little cover here, take some screws out of the bottom, okay? Pop this guy down, and if you look right up in here, let me give a flashlight, right there, that little black box, that's our guy. So it's normally clipped on right here. You pull it off, and if you look on top here, sorry if I'm going fast, nobody likes to watch a long video, right there, that little white clip, pull that sucker out with a pair of pliers or whatnot. It's a little clip. And then on the back side here, it's got another clip right here. So you gotta lift up on that and it'll come out. Give me 1 second here. Pops out. This is the guy we're looking for here. It's got a bunch of male ends on it. That way, controls your headlights and all that crap. Anyway, as you can see, my door is open here. The keys are in it. Turn it on. I'm gonna start it. No buzz. One of the best things in the world. Thanks for watching.